Hi, my name is Alexander Myun.
Hi, my name is Reno.
What is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology is applied due to unique material, physical and chemical properties of its product, all of which make great contributions to the material industry around the world. Nanotechnology can be defined as the manipulations of matter with a size ranging from 0.1 to 100 nanometer. The physical and chemical properties unique to the nano size can prompt a miraculous efficiency enhancements in catalysis, optical sensitivity, and mechanical strength. Recently, nanotechnology has been extensively applied in transportation vehicle industry to bring a novel functionalities and improve a vehicle performance. The applications of nanomaterial in vehicle can provide a better strength and durability performance over conventional material. And let's talk about how nanotechnology is used in automotive industry. Nanotechnology has been applied in transportations for multiple benefits such as to enhance the strength and durability automobile over a longer period of time. Nanotechnology could be applied to various body parts, emissions, chassis, entire automobile interior, and engines. And first, our body parts applications include paints, coating, lightweight, safe cleans, and scratch-resistant nanopolymer. Every body part is painted with one or another color and by different methods. Painting are mainly done for decorative and protects purpose, and there are three coats, that is primer, base coats, and clear coats. And then weight reductions of vehicle can increase fuel efficiency, reduce carbon dioxide emissions, and production costs. Other than that, the material near to the engine parts should pose high thermal resistance, whereas the exterior and structural parts should be made of a material that have a mechanical strength. And the second is engines. In a modern automobile, around 10 to 15% of the fuel energy is consumed by the frictions of the manual mechanical parts of engine. Piston, cylinder wall, crank drive elements like connecting rod, crankshaft, bearing, air system are the major frictions causing parts of the engines. Heat generated by the engines and its cooling is another problem that we are facing in the automobiles. At present, to overcome this problem, we use engine oil in between the moving parts to reduce the frictions, radiator and coolant to reduce the heat generated and cooled engines. The functions of the engine oil, radiator and coolant can be increased by the applications of the nanotechnology by coating the cylinder wall with nanocrystalline material that we can reduce frictions and in turn the fuel consumption. And the third is tire. Tires are the most side parts of an automobile in which nanotechnology is applied. Tires are not made of a single material but by combining and mixing many elements like rubber, steel threads, and reinforced filler. As nanoparticles have a high surface energy, interactions of the nanoparticle with natural rubber in the tire is high, which leads to better rolling resistance and reduced frictions. The next is ultra-reflecting mirror and glass. Someday, while drive, we feel discomfort when sunlight falls on our eyes through the mirror and glass of our vehicle. We cannot see the roads or other vehicles properly because of the intensity of the lights, and this can lead to accidents. Ultra-reflecting thin layer of aluminum aside, having a thickness less than 100 nanometers is applied to make the mirror to equip a surface with a bad, dirty water and repellent features. As the light falls on the glass or mirror, a certain voltage is generated and the voltage makes a chance to move the intermediate layer.
Further advantages of nanotechnology in automotive industry is nanomaterials have huge advantages due to its mechanical properties unattainable from conventional materials. It has wide applications in technological driving aids like anti-lock braking system, power steering, airbag, and so on. Depending upon the diameter of the nanomaterials, they have high electrical and thermal conductivity as well as mechanical properties due to minimum defects in the atomic structure. This makes the car bodies robust and at the same time provides generous scramble zones in case of accident. The dashboards and body panels made out of these materials are highly resistant to scratching and surface damaging. This makes them profitable for building fuel tanks. This type of tanks ensure that the fuel energy is harnessed from the fuel in automobile combustion, thus reducing environmental pollution. Using nanotechnology in car tires could save millions of gallons of a year caused by under-inflated tires and will lower accidents rate. In addition, polymer nanocomposites that are manufactured commercially for diverse structural vehicle applications and nanofillers for exterior vehicle panels increase the modulus of materials. Carbon nanofiber used in automotive exterior panel reduces weight in bumpers and fenders. However, there are still few disadvantages of nanotechnology in automotive industries. Nanotechnology is still under development stage as compared to the other well-established branches of applied science. They are concerned about potential substantial risks that nanotechnology might hold. Even engineered nanomaterials can behave uncertainly, disrupting health and environment. Nanotechnology has to face social challenges, as mass production of vehicles will make the market more cost competitive. Much of the discussion on the need, regulation, development, and application of nanotechnology is still inconclusive. Ultimately, it is consumers' interest to approve nanotechnology favorably. For the future scope of this nanotechnology in automotive industries, safer vehicle as it will incorporate a level of artificial intelligence that enable it to compensate for driver errors. The car of the future will be networked with other vehicles in the vicinity, and this will extend its range of perception. The high-tech car will comprise of headlights that will automatically follow the road, radar, and heat sensors that will recognize human, animals, and objects on roadways and assist in parking. In conclusion, nanotechnology is about to explode as a major shaper of automotive industries. It has brought tremendous innovation in transforming industrial outlook. Significant uses of nanotechnology in the automotive industry has increased the production scale. Lastly, by the end of this decade, Nanotechnology is expected to be a generic technology accepted worldwide. And that's all from our group, and thank you.